Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. As usual, we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can actually simply add another user to your Zoho account. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, we will simply dive into our video now. So for that, make sure you have the Zoho Mail app downloaded in your mobile, installed in your mobile. Then you will simply tap on that, and once your app is open, it will kind of look like this. Then you will soon tap on this three horizontal line on your top left corner. Then you can see your profile's user ID and email. Tap on that. You can see this add account option below. Tap on that add account and it will take you to this kind of interface. Here you can see you can simply add in that person's email address or mobile number. Then you will tap on next option, enter the OTP code that you will get in any of the information that we added, and you will simply get logged in, and that person will be there in your added contacts in your Zoho account. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yes, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I will see you guys next time.